What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie, Happiness in Retirement. And today, I'm going to share with you a recipe that you can use for your wonderful garden greens. I'm going to make a slaw out of them. And I'm going to put garlic, the juice of a whole lemon, enough mayonnaise to make it nice and mayonnaisey like I like my slaw, some red wine vinegar, and some salt and pepper. And that's it, folks. And the first thing you got to do is julienne your little julienne up into thin slices. I guess julienne is a fancy French word for make thin coleslaw like slices. So there must have been some French chick named Julienne, skinny French girl, I bet. And that's why they came up with the term julienne. Anyway, so let's get at it. All right, party people, I julienned up all the greens, and I also added a carrot from my garden. I julienned that up too. And now we're going to add the special ingredients. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, just to spruce it up a little bit. Love me that red wine vinegar. Red wine vinegar. Then we're going to put the juice of a whole lemon. The juice of a whole lemon to give it more of that citrusy flavor. The juice of a whole lemon. If you don't have one of these lemon squeezers, man, you need to get you one. They are fantabulous. There's a half a lemon. We'll put that in the compost. And here's another half a lemon. Get all that citrusy in there. Yeah, baby. That's right. Woo, daddy. Put that in the compost. Then I'm going to put some garlic. You know, because I'm Italian and all, I love garlic. We're going to put some garlic in there. I'm not going to tell you how much because you're going to probably freak out if I tell you how much garlic. And I like to use this pre-minced garlic from the grocery store in certain recipes, but you can't beat fresh chopped garlic in other recipes, like in a stir fry, for example. Then some fresh cracked pepper. We're probably going to add some more spices later to taste, but fresh cracked pepper. I like my pepper. That's a pretty good amount in there. And then some freshly ground Himalayan salt, sea salt. My mom swears by the Himalayan sea salt and it won't, quote unquote, raise your blood pressure. Put some Himalayan sea salt in there. And the best ingredient of all is the mayonnaise. Because I like mayonnaise-based coleslaw. And I don't know what the amount's going to be, but I'm just going to put enough in here to where it looks right. And we're going to mix this baby up. We're going to mix this baby up. And I'll get right to it. All right, now I mixed her all up with the mayonnaise and the spices, the salt and fresh cracked black pepper, julienne carrots and all the greens in there. Mixed her up and she looks beautiful. Now I'm going to taste it. Woo! Oh. You are going to want to slap your mama with them greens. That is so good. All right, peace out, y'all. Hit subscribe if you like my material or go to the next video. Thanks.